Today is the 25th, and we have the Summers in the house, and they're making caramel corn. We're making caramel corn. I'm so excited. Mama Summers. Oh, I can smell it. You can smell it in the office.
For action.
Couple little what?
Just a little nibs. You have a couple little nibs before I put the caramel on.
I thought you were on a liquid diet.
Oh, it's not for me. For y'all.
Oh, thanks.
I'm yawing it. I'm yawing it. Been here just a little bit.
She's yawing it,
I'm
y'all.
already yawing it.
Because she's in Texas. And she's wearing a jacket. And she's from Alaska inside.
Freezing.
It's cold to the AC,
The
right?
air conditioning makes me so cold. I don't know why. I'm
You're used
just
to the heat blasting.
Look at my hands have shrunk 5 sizes.
Cold? Oh no.
Is there AC in Alaska?
Not much.
Not really.
Oh,
Step
wow.
outside.
Oh.
Chilled off all you want.
Step one. Pop the popcorn.
Smell it.
No, she loves the caramel corn.
No, I just got so excited I couldn't even contain it. I started screaming.
Okay.
I like your apron.
Yeah, from the north.
Her dad actually got me.
Is your dad?
Yeah, my dad got a little Santa Claus apron.
We're all prepping for a show, you know that, right?
I don't know what that means. All I know is this is good. Good stuff right here.
Alright, let me back.
Nero's afraid of the big backlights. We are behind the scenes with the Buff Bunny. Oh,
Get our clothes swag on.
close swag.
Like my mom would say, clothes swag.
Is that a thing? It's not as cool as your.
Kind of thing.
Not as cool as your voicemail.
No, not as cool.
So we are behind the scenes here. Heidi Summers is about to do her lookbook video. Super riveting stuff. So exciting. We got some shoes today. Did the field. And this is what it's like. The coolest shoes.
Right now.
Okay.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel.
Shut
up!
That was you!
You're ruining it by laughing!
We're doing bloopers, right?
No.
Sorry.
So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Wait, you guys can talk now. Because I'm going to do a voiceover explain where I got everything.
I used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low. I want you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side till the day I die. Till the day I die.
How we both end up here, but everything seems so right. I wonder what would happen if we went back and put up a fight. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see the time hasn't changed a thing. So, in this one, do you think you'd ever take you off my mind?
Never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, love you till the day I die. 'Cause I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure.
Damn, Heidi. back at it again with the white Converse.
The white Converse.
The white Converse. And again. And
I
again.
feel so stylish right now.
Without your socks.
With my, I know. Judge me. Nasty rip sound. I don't think that's
It ripped?
a little bit.
Alright. Wait for it.
In the booty part.
Don't rip. Okay. Which shoes? These ones? Ooh. These ones would be pretty cool.
Back at it again with the white Converse.
Again. With the white ones.